Good morning. Here you can see the topic, data science. I am not going to teach you this subject, data science. I just want to say something about data science, means what is data science? I am going to answer to this question. What is data science? Students of class 11 and 12, that is students of higher secondary, most of them do not know about this subject. Various institutes are there which offer this subject at present. You can make a good career if you study this subject. So, question is, what is data science? Data means information, okay? In most of the cases, it is numerical information, numerical values about many things are collected. About many things means things of your interest, things of the interest of companies, of the interest of businessmen. Okay. So, data are collected from various sources, from various locations, okay, and those data are analyzed by using scientific tools. Means here knowledge of mathematics, knowledge of statistics, knowledge of artificial intelligence, knowledge of machine learning. So many subjects are there which are required for the scientific analysis of the collected data. So after collecting all those data, they are analyzed and accordingly interpretation is done. And by using that interpretation, companies get help in decision making. Okay? Decision making about many things. So anyway, in a word, in short, data science is collection and analysis of data, which may be useful for the business. Okay, so that is data science. Anyway, the name of the playlist in this channel is Knowledge Hub. There you will get these topics, and if you go to the description box of this video, not for all the videos, okay? If you go to the description box of this video, you will get texts written in English, Hindi and Bengali, because only these three languages I know. Okay, so texts will be given in three languages: English, Hindi and English, Hindi and Bengali in the description box of this video. Okay, okay, thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.